Hey, good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. Well, I raced last weekend. It was pretty good. I did an adjustment to my sway bar, so I loosened up the back of the car a little bit, and I could get around the corners and come out a little bit better. So all in all, that was a good adjustment. However, I've got a slow leak in my right rear, so I must have picked up a nail or a screw at the event. So we gotta take it off and find out what's going on. My tire pressure monitoring system on the dash is telling me that this tire was low. So chalk up one good thing about that technology. Um, Originally, I was not a big fan of it because I know how to check tire pressures. However, this is one area where it did tip me off that I've got a slow leak. So good. Well, that was pretty easy. There it is. Where'd it go? There, right there. Little Phillips head screw right there. So I think that's probably quite repairable, and I'll just take it down to my local tire shop, and they do a free repair. I'll drop it off probably unless they're not too busy. Anyway, let's do that. I put a mark there next to the valve stem so they do not have to rebalance it if they don't want to. If they want to, then that's fine too. That's up to them. Anyway, I'll get back to you. You can see where I jacked it up right there. Underneath there is a big, this is an aluminum frame car, so there's a big welded aluminum rail with a cutout piece of the sheet metal, not sheet metal, it's not fiberglass, but it's a plastic compound. I think it's SMC. If somebody knows what that stands for, please put it down in the comments. So that's a good place to jack it up if you need to get the rear of the car up. Maybe I can show you just what I'm talking about. Hold on a second. Okay, so see right there, see where it's cut out, the plastic is cut out. That's a good place to jack up right there. You don't really need those jacking pucks. If you want to buy the jacking pucks, that's okay, fine. But it's okay to just jack up right there. You do not want to jack up on the plastic, okay? Alrighty then, Froggy's back in business. Oh, there it is right there. So that'll be good until I wear these tires out. Sorry I don't have a more exciting video for you today, but that's all that happened. I had a good run on Sunday. What I am going to do is I've got some rebuilt shocks. I did a video when I got them back. I'm going to put the rebuilt shocks on. Those are double adjustable racing shocks. And I'm going to change it, at least the front camber, get a little more negative camber. So I think I've got some speed on the autocross course that's going to show itself in the next couple of 3 events. And so that is it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out or you find it interesting. Subscribe to my channel if you want more. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.